Porsche enthusiasts and track aficionados, brace yourselves. Manthey Racing has taken the already extraordinary Porsche 992 GT3 RS to a whole new level of performance with their custom upgrade kit. Renowned for their precision in enhancing Porsche's track capabilities, Manthey Racing has introduced a series of aggressive modifications that not only improve aerodynamics but also redefine what a road-going race car can do. The most jaw-dropping upgrade is the staggering amount of downforce this customized GT3 RS can now generate. At a blistering 177 miles per hour, the Manthey kit produces over 1,000 kilograms, more than a metric ton, of downforce, outpacing some of the world's most advanced hypercars. For context, cars like the McLaren P1 generate around 600 kilograms of downforce at a lower speed. This boost in downforce is a game-changer, providing the car with exceptional grip and stability, allowing it to corner at unparalleled speeds. How does Manthey achieve this incredible feat? It all starts with an aggressive new front splitter that is not only larger but also reinforced to handle the increased forces. Complementing the splitter are gurney flaps and dive planes mounted around the front bumper, carefully designed to manage airflow and provide additional stability at high speeds. At the rear, the modifications get even more extreme. The rear window has been removed entirely, replaced by a lightweight carbon panel to reduce weight and enhance aerodynamics. In place of the rear window, a carbon shark fin, inspired by Porsche's endurance racing car, the Porsche 963, is mounted. This fin serves a dual purpose: it generates substantial downforce and improves the vehicle's high-speed stability. The rear also features a massive adjustable rear wing, which works in tandem with the shark fin to maintain downforce and optimize track performance. To complement the extreme aerodynamic upgrades, Manthey Racing has also upgraded the car's suspension and braking systems. The coilovers now feature stiffer spring rates for enhanced cornering stability and precision. Additionally, the suspension system is semi-active, adjusting in real time to optimize performance based on sensor data, ensuring the car handles flawlessly through corners and straightaways. On the braking front, the Manthey kit includes enhanced steel-sheathed brake lines and optional racing brake pads. These upgrades are designed to minimize brake fade during high-intensity track sessions, allowing for consistent and reliable braking performance. While the weather conditions have prevented official lap times from being recorded at the Nürburgring, Manthey Racing has confidently stated that the performance gains with their custom kit are significant. With a combination of reduced weight, dramatically increased downforce, and upgraded handling capabilities, the Manthey GT3 RS is positioned as an ultra-high-performance machine capable of shredding lap times and dominating the track. The Manthey Racing upgrade comes at a hefty price, £99,999, which is over half the price of the base 992 GT3 RS. For some, this might seem excessive, but for the ultimate track day enthusiast looking for every ounce of performance, it could be an investment worth making. The kit is available through Porsche dealerships, offering owners of the 992 GT3 RS the chance to transform their vehicle into a track-focused masterpiece that delivers performance in a league of its own. With the Manthey Racing kit, the Porsche 992 GT3 RS becomes more than just a road-going supercar. It evolves into a track weapon designed for unparalleled performance, extreme aerodynamics, and supreme handling. The complete removal of the rear window, the introduction of the shark fin, and the colossal downforce generated at high speeds make this vehicle a true beast on the track. For those willing to make the investment, the Manthey customized GT3 RS offers a new level of performance that promises to thrill and deliver on the most challenging race circuits worldwide.